In a bustling town, nestled between the rolling hills and the sparkling sea, lived two unlikely friends named Pepper and Salt. Pepper was a lively, vibrant spice with a zest for life, while Salt was a humble, refined condiment, known for his subtle, yet essential role in enhancing flavors. One sunny day, Pepper found himself feeling a bit too spicy. He was so hot that he couldn't bear it any longer. In his desperation, he decided to seek Salt's help, as he believed that Salt could cool him down. Salt, who was always happy to help others, agreed to accompany Pepper on his journey. They set off on a winding path, through the lush forest and across the babbling brook. Along the way, they encountered various obstacles, but their friendship and determination kept them going. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they came across a towering, ancient tree. It was said to hold the secret to balance, a secret that Pepper and Salt hoped to discover. The tree, however, was guarded by a fearsome beast, ready to protect its secrets. Pepper, with his fiery spirit, bravely challenged the beast, while Salt, with his wisdom, used his calm demeanor to soothe the beast. They explained their mission, and the beast, moved by their determination and teamwork, allowed them to pass. Inside the tree, they discovered a hidden chamber filled with countless pairs of objects, all in perfect balance. Pepper and Salt realized that the true secret was not just about finding the balance themselves, but learning to maintain it in their own unique ways. Pepper learned to tone down his spiciness, while Salt learned to add a bit more of himself to enhance flavors without overpowering them. They returned to their home, sharing their newfound knowledge with their fellow spices and seasonings, inspiring them to find their own balance. In the end, Pepper and Salt became symbols of unity and harmony, teaching everyone the importance of balance in their own lives. They remind us that no matter how different we may be, we can find our balance when we work together, just like the perfect pair of Pepper and Salt.